All right, well, this video is called the Argumentative Paragraph, Making Your Case, and we're going to spend a lot of time on argumentative paragraphs this year, so let's pay attention. So the goals of an argumentative paragraph. First, make a claim that clearly, adequately, and concisely answers the whole prompt. Second, show that the claim is true. So, two goals. Make a claim that answers the question, and then show that your claim is true. So the parts or the chunks of an argumentative paragraph, I really want you to learn these. Maybe one of the most important things you learn all year, and commit these to memory. Your topic sentence claim is a chunk. Signal phrases are a chunk. Evidence is a chunk. Analyze your evidence. Transitions, and capstone sentence. Not every paragraph needs a capstone sentence, so that's optional, but we'll talk about that. That's all that is in an argumentative paragraph right there. That's all it is. You're either making a claim, setting up evidence with signal phrases, giving evidence, analyzing evidence, transitioning to new evidence, or summing up your paragraph in a concise, powerful way. That's the only thing that should be in argumentative paragraphs, and every time you write in your paragraph, we want you to know which of those things you're doing. And that's what we're going to focus on again and again and again this year when we work on our writing. So why learn these chunks? Well, imagine going out onto a football field to run a play without the chunks of the player positions: center, guard, tackle, end, quarterback, etc., or the concepts run, pass, sweep, screen, post, etc. How would that work, right? You want those chunks already in your head when you run out onto the field. Then in the 30 seconds or so you've got to function out there, you can call a play and actually make some progress. Imagine if you started from scratch every time the team ran out onto the field and you tried to figure out what to do. You'd never do it right. So just like those plays and those positions are incredibly useful chunks, you couldn't really work without them, so too in your writing you need to know the chunks. And in many ways, if you've struggled with your analytic and formal writing in the past, in middle school, I know you haven't done that much of it yet, it's probably because you don't know the chunks. It's like you're running around without knowing any plays or any positions. And every word you write is just sort of a mystery to you. So learn the chunks and your writing will improve. You'll fear writing less and you'll enjoy it more. That's why we're going to learn the chunks. So here's an example paragraph. Like, you can look at this. I'm not going to read it all out, but it starts in light green with a topic sentence claim. And then in red is a signal phrase that sets up evidence, in this case, a quotation. Then there's analysis of that evidence in orange. And then in purple, there is a transition. And then again in red, there's another signal phrase that sets up evidence. And then there's more evidence in blue. And then more analysis and commentary in orange. And then a capstone sentence in dark green. Every word you write in an analytic paragraph this year, in an argumentative paragraph, will be one of those things. And you need to be able to recognize which one it is and know which one it is. Because this format, that color-coded format that you're looking at right there, that's the blueprint for virtually every analytic paragraph you're going to write this year, right there. Learn this pattern, learn these chunks, and then you can break the rules later. But let's master this strategy. It's incredibly effective and is really going to make your writing better and more enjoyable for you. So takeaways for this video. What are the two goals of an argumentative paragraph? What are the 6 chunks of an argumentative paragraph? Why should you learn the 6 chunks of an argumentative paragraph? You should be able to explain all those off the top of your head if asked, if you've really learned and digested what's in this video.